How to schedule Webex meeting from web browser. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily schedule any meeting from your Webex on your web browser. So the first thing you do is open up your browser and search for Webex, and then hit enter. Click on the first link, webex.com, and just go ahead and log into your account. Click on the sign in option and simply sign into it. From here, you'll land on your home page on the Meetings tab. If you are on any other tab, just make sure that you are on the Meetings tab. Then if you have any upcoming meetings, it will show up right here. And if you want to create a new meeting or schedule a new one, you'll find different options here. You can start an instant meeting from here. Or if you want, you could use the web app from here. If you have the desktop app, you could continue with the desktop, but if you just want to continue on the browser, use the web app, then click on the schedule option. Once you've done that, you can enter the meeting's topic. Let's just name it test meeting. And then from here, you can turn on the reoccurrence if you want. So if you wanted to repeat on certain amount of days in a week, you could do that. I'm not going to do that right now. You could also send a separate invitation for invitees, so they won't require you to enter the password. You can enter the meeting agenda. And then from here on the security part, you can confirm your password. And if you don't want the meeting invitees to enter the password, click this exclude password room from meeting for email invitations. You can scroll down and then turn on join before host, auto log option, and the join rules as well. From here, you can choose connection options as well as your advanced options like video system, breakout sessions, email reminders, and registrations. Now, once you are done, go ahead and click on start. But don't forget to choose your time right here. So select your date and time. Click on date and time and then select which date you want to start it in, for how long, from which time to for duration as well. So you can select up to 15 minutes. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.